It was springtime in Glitter Grove, and pink-furred Ari Sparkpaw was skipping through the flower fields, her glittery blue boots leaving sparkled trails behind. She twirled through tulips and zipped past daisies, when suddenly, achoo! A rose sneezed. Ari blinked. Wait, did that flower just sneeze? Achoo! Came another from the daffodils. Soon the whole field was sneezing pollen like glitter confetti. Ari ducked and zipped behind a mushroom. This is a flower emergency. She called, SuperMom, we need a sparkle sneeze solution. Purple-furred SuperMom flew in, sunglasses glowing, magical eyelashes fluttering like fans. She blinked, poof, and a gentle breeze carried the pollen away, settling the sneezing flowers down. Ari tiptoed over and gave a sniff. No sneezes. She smiled. Bless you, blossoms. And from that day on, every flower in Glitter Grove wore a tiny sparkle mask, just in case.